sometimes you see them up here.
Mercy me, that mercy I know. That's me the first year that I blow. How you say
I put down very early one morning with you if you want to.
Drown sorrow in that Diablo. He found bravery in my bravado. DJs need to listen to the models. You ain't got no fucking Yeezy and Serato.
They said the F word.
What the hell do I know?
The song.
I'm just a Chi-Town nigga with a nice flow. And my chick in that new Phoebe Philo. So much shit I
Sorry,
woke up
that was
speaking
the current.
high-low.
Can we get much higher?
Every time we're recording a video, why do you always need to have music on just so I can get a copyright claim on my video, or maybe get my videos blocked in some country?
Look, something there.
I can't run away.
First light.
The plan was to drink it till the pain over. But what's worse, the pain or the hangover? Fresh air rolling down the window. Too many Urkels on your team, that's why your wind's low. Don't make me pull the toys out.